Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to stay motivated. Motivation is essential to achieving our goals, but sometimes it can be hard to stay motivated. In this video, we'll be discussing some tips and strategies that you can use to stay motivated and achieve your goals. Tip number 1, set realistic goals. One of the keys to staying motivated is to set realistic goals. When we set goals that are too lofty or unrealistic, it can be easy to become discouraged and lose motivation. Instead, set goals that are achievable and take incremental steps to reach them. This will help you stay motivated and make progress towards your goals. Tip number 2, break down big goals into smaller ones. Breaking down big goals into smaller, more manageable ones can also help you stay motivated. When we focus on the big picture, it can be overwhelming and easy to become discouraged. By breaking down your goals into smaller, more achievable steps, you can make progress and stay motivated along the way. Tip number 3, find your why. Knowing why you want to achieve a particular goal can be a powerful motivator. Take some time to reflect on why your goal is important to you and how it will impact your life. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your goal, even when the going gets tough. Tip number 4, celebrate your progress. Celebrating your progress along the way can also help you stay motivated. When you reach a milestone or achieve a goal, take some time to celebrate your accomplishment. This can help you stay motivated and give you the boost you need to keep going. Tip number 5, surround yourself with supportive people. Surrounding yourself with supportive people can also help you stay motivated. When you have people in your life who believe in you and support your goals, it can be easier to stay motivated and focused. Seek out supportive friends, family members, or colleagues who can help you stay on track. Tip number 6, visualize success. Visualizing success can be a powerful motivator. Take some time to imagine yourself achieving your goal and how it will feel. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your goal, even when the going gets tough. Tip number 7, take breaks and rest. Taking breaks and rest is also important to staying motivated. When we push ourselves too hard for too long, it can be easy to become burnt out and lose motivation. Take breaks and rest when you need it, and don't feel guilty about it. This can help you stay energized and motivated over the long haul. Tip number 8, get organized. Getting organized can also help you stay motivated. When we feel overwhelmed or disorganized, it can be easy to become discouraged and lose motivation. Take some time to organize your space, your schedule, and your goals. This can help you stay focused and motivated, and make progress towards your goals. Tip number 9, use positive self-talk. Using positive self-talk can also help you stay motivated. When we talk to ourselves in a positive and supportive way, it can help us feel more confident and motivated. Try using positive affirmations or self-talk to help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Tip number 10, keep learning and growing. Finally, keep learning and growing can also help you stay motivated. When we're constantly learning and growing, it can be easier to stay motivated and engaged. Take time to learn new skills, try new things, and challenge yourself. This can help you stay motivated and make progress towards your goals. Tip number 11, keep a journal. Keeping a journal can be a helpful tool for staying motivated. In your journal, you can write down your goals, track your progress, and reflect on your successes and challenges. You can also use your journal to write down your thoughts and feelings about your goals, which can help you stay motivated and focused on what's important. Tip number 12, create a vision board. Creating a vision board can be a fun and creative way to stay motivated. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and aspirations, and can include pictures, quotes, and other inspiring images. Hang your vision board somewhere where you'll see it every day, and use it as a reminder of your goals and what you're working towards. Tip number 13, use a reward system. Using a reward system can also be a helpful way to stay motivated. When you reach a milestone or achieve a goal, reward yourself with something that you enjoy, whether that's a favorite treat, a night out, or a small purchase. This can help you stay motivated and give you something to look forward to. Tip number 14, practice self-care. Practicing self-care is also important for staying motivated. When we take care of ourselves physically, mentally, and emotionally, we're better able to stay focused and motivated. Make sure to take time for yourself every day, whether that's through exercise, meditation, or simply doing something that you enjoy. Tip number 15, embrace failure. It's important to embrace failure as a natural part of the learning process. When we experience setbacks or obstacles, it can be easy to become discouraged and lose motivation. Instead, try to view failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Use your failures as a chance to identify areas where you need improvement, and use that knowledge to stay motivated and make progress towards your goals. Tip number 16, find inspiration in others. Finding inspiration in others can be a great way to stay motivated. Look for people who have achieved similar goals to yours, and learn from their experiences. You can also seek out motivational speakers, authors, or podcasts to help keep you inspired and motivated. Tip number 17, stay accountable. Staying accountable to yourself and others can be a powerful motivator. Share your goals with someone you trust, and ask them to check in with you regularly. You can also use accountability apps or tools to help you stay on track and motivated. Tip number 18, focus on progress, not perfection. Focusing on progress, not perfection, can also help you stay motivated. When we strive for perfection, it can be easy to become discouraged and lose motivation when we fall short. Instead, focus on making progress towards your goals, no matter how small. Celebrate your successes along the way and use them as motivation to keep going. Tip number 19, practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude can be a helpful way to stay motivated. When we focus on the things we're grateful for, it can help us stay positive and motivated. Take some time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, and use that positivity to fuel your motivation. Tip number 20, take action. Finally, taking action is the most important thing you can do to stay motivated. It's easy to get caught up in planning or dreaming about our goals, but taking action is what will ultimately help us achieve them. Break your goals down into manageable steps, and take action on them every day. Even small steps can help you stay motivated and make progress towards your goals. Tip number 21, use positive visualization. Positive visualization is a technique that can help you stay motivated by visualizing yourself achieving your goals. Take some time to imagine yourself succeeding and how it will feel when you reach your goal. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your goal, even during difficult times. Tip number 22, find a mentor. Finding a mentor who has achieved similar goals to yours can be a helpful way to stay motivated. A mentor can provide guidance, support, and accountability, and can help you navigate any challenges or obstacles you may encounter along the way. Tip number 23, learn from failure. Learning from failure is an important part of staying motivated. When we experience setbacks or failures, it can be easy to become discouraged and lose motivation. Instead, try to view failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Use your failures as a chance to identify areas where you need improvement, and use that knowledge to stay motivated and make progress towards your goals. Tip number 24, take care of your physical health. Taking care of your physical health is important for staying motivated. When we're physically healthy, we have more energy and motivation to pursue our goals. Make sure to eat a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep to help keep your body and mind in top shape. Tip number 25, stay positive. Staying positive is essential for staying motivated. When we have a positive attitude, we're better able to overcome obstacles and stay focused on our goals. Make an effort to stay positive by focusing on your strengths, practicing gratitude, and surrounding yourself with positive people and influences. Tip number 26, keep a progress journal. Keeping a progress journal can be a helpful way to stay motivated. In your journal, you can track your progress towards your goals, celebrate your successes, and identify areas where you need improvement. You can also use your journal to reflect on your motivations and stay focused on your goals. Tip number 27, take breaks and recharge. Taking breaks and recharging is important for staying motivated over the long term. When we push ourselves too hard for too long, it can be easy to become burned out and lose motivation. Take breaks when you need them, and don't feel guilty about it. This can help you stay energized and motivated over the long haul. Tip number 28, practice mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness is a helpful way to stay motivated. When we're mindful, we're better able to stay focused on the present moment and avoid distractions. Take some time each day to practice mindfulness meditation or simply be present in the moment. This can help you stay focused and motivated on your goals. Tip number 29, use affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to help you stay motivated. Choose a few affirmations that resonate with you and repeat them to yourself daily. For example, you might say, "I am capable of achieving my goals," or "I am worthy of success." This can help you stay motivated and build confidence. Tip number 30, embrace change. Embracing change is important for staying motivated and achieving your goals. When we're open to change, we're better able to adapt to new situations and overcome obstacles. Embrace change as a natural part of the process, and use it as an opportunity to grow and learn. Tip number 31. Use a timer. Using a timer can be a helpful way to stay motivated and avoid distractions. Set a timer for a specific amount of time and work on a task until the timer goes off. This can help you stay focused and motivated on your goals, and avoid getting sidetracked by other tasks or distractions. Tip number 32. Find a supportive community. Finding a supportive community can be a helpful way to stay motivated. Join a group of like-minded individuals who share your goals and values. This can provide a sense of accountability, support, and motivation to help you stay on track and achieve your goals. Tip number 33. Take risks. Taking risks can be a helpful way to stay motivated and grow as a person. When we step outside of our comfort zones and take risks, we're better able to learn and grow. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks in pursuit of your goals. Tip number 34. Stay flexible. Staying flexible is important for staying motivated and adapting to new situations. When we're flexible, we're better able to adjust our plans and strategies as needed. Stay open to new ideas and be willing to change course if necessary. Tip number 35. Celebrate your achievements. Finally, celebrating your achievements is important for staying motivated and building confidence. Take time to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. This can help you stay motivated and build momentum towards your goals. I hope these additional tips are helpful in your quest to stay motivated and achieve your goals. Remember, staying motivated takes time and effort, but with persistence and dedication, you can achieve anything you set your mind to.